Okay guys, so welcome to our next video, and what I'll be showing you today is how you can use your phone as a remote for your Android TV or your smart TV. Now please note that you can use either an Android phone or an iPhone. So the app that we will be using to navigate your TV with your phone is called eShare, and you can find this app on either your Android Play Store or your Apple App Store. But before we jump into the video guys, please do remember to like, comment and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed before, and also please do remember to click the notification bell because you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Also note that I will be posting a new video at least every 3 days, so ensure that you are notified whenever I post that video so you can know all the tips and tricks that you need to know and all the apps that you need to get on your phone, on your PC or on your smart TV. So I'll be using an Android phone, and this is my Android phone. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into Play Store, we're going to search eShare, we're going to install, and now we're waiting on the app to install. It shouldn't take long. So now that the app has finished download, we're going to open it. Click allow. Now we're going to grant it permission. So we're going to look for the app. And then just go back. So this is the interface of this app guys, and what I want to implore on you to do is ensure that your TV is connected to a Wi-Fi as also your phone, and it has to be the said Wi-Fi, else it won't work. So now that my TV and my phone has been connected to the same Wi-Fi, I am going to click up here, search for the TV. Now this is the TV, click on it, and now it has been connected, right? So the first thing I'll be showing you is the remote. Now this is the mouse, as you can see right here, and I'm going to use the mouse to control my TV, and if you can look on the TV you will see that the mouse is controlling the TV, right? I'm going to go back. I go to home, click on Netflix, go back, right? So the mouse is controlling the TV, as well as you have a touchpad right here. It works same as the mouse, but what happens is that you can scroll up, scroll down, right? We have the keys, and we can open any app with the remote that we have on the phone. Volume up, volume down, and we have a home button. So if you go on an app and you want to come back to your own screen, you just click home and it will bring you back straight to home. So that is the remote guys. So I'm going to go back. So now we're back to the interface, to the initial interface when you open this app. So we have TV mirror right here. So what happened is that your TV screen is now on your phone. Okay, so if we move this here, you realize that whatever we do, also click on the TV. So go back. So that is the mirror guys. Now we're going to X out of mirror, TV mirror. Now we have a next mirror. So allow while using, start now. So what will happen is that your phone screen will be on the TV. So and it works really fast, especially when you have a good Wi-Fi. So I'm going to stop mirroring. And the next thing that we have is camera. Now I'm not going to turn on my camera, right? But you can turn on your camera and you'll be able to see your camera on your television, right? If you go into image, you will be able to open an image on your phone. The image that you open up on your phone will open on your TV, right? Wonderful. Now this is a very versatile app, and I think you will love this app. So you can also open music, videos, documents, anything. So this is basically the remote app that you can use on your phone to control your Android TV or your smart TV. So that is the end of the video, guys, and I hope you find this video really helpful. So remember, the name of the app is eShare. You can download this app either on Google Play Store on your Android or your Apple App Store on your iPhone. So if you would have enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. If there is anything that you would like to know how to download, or anything that you would like to know about your Android phone or your iPhone or your smart TV, just leave a comment down below and I will definitely make a video, and hopefully that video will assist you.